Hey everyone! Today, we're comparing ArchiCAD and Rhino, two powerful tools that architects and engineers often use. Which one gives more value in BIM workflows? Let's find out. ArchiCAD is a full-fledged BIM software that streamlines documentation, collaboration, and large project management. Rhino, on the other hand, is primarily a 3D modeling tool, great for complex geometries and parametric designs. Rhino doesn't handle BIM natively, but with plugins like VisualARQ, it can become more BIM-friendly. If your work involves detailed documentation, construction drawings, and teamwork, ArchiCAD is the clear winner. But for creative, freeform design projects, Rhino offers unmatched flexibility. So, for structured BIM workflows, go with ArchiCAD. For design experimentation and complex geometry, Rhino is your tool. Share your experience with us on the comments below. This has been Handle Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.